Okay, so I want to talk about law review. What is law review? Okay, so law review is basically a book that gets put out, and it's made of articles that are submitted from legal scholars, people within the legal field, throughout all over. And the law review is the group of people who edit the individual articles and then place the articles in the book and present the book. Each law school has a law review, right? And it's a prestigious thing to get on a law review. But what I didn't understand going into it is basically you have guys who might have been lawyers for 20 years submitting their article to law students for them to edit and review it and make sure that the citations and the notations used within these articles are correct. It's not fact checking. It's just keeping the person who wrote the article honest. And the people on law review do that, right? The people on law review do it. People who have law review on their resume, it tells future employers that they know how to research. Not only do they know how to research, they know how to edit research, and they more than likely know how to write. Because in most situations to get on law review, you have to write something or you have to edit something to get on to law review. It varies depending on the school. Some schools have more than one type of law review, or some schools have maybe an entertainment or sports law review as well. But every school has, for the most part, like a insert school law review. Texas Southern Law Review, Howard Law Review, Harvard Law Review, right? It looks really good. It's a lot of work. People put their time and effort into it. But again, it's a team of people who edit articles that are submitted and make sure that the people who wrote the articles are using the right citations, are saying the right things, are quoting from the correct sources. And a lot that goes into it, right? It's a lot. At the top, there's a law review editor, and then there's managers, and there's people in charge of different parts of it. I wasn't on law review, so for all the people who were on law review, I apologize if I left something out or misinterpreted something to everybody. So if I did do that, please say something in the comments to clarify anything I might have said. But to be clear, law review is very prestigious, and people have an opportunity to get on law review after their first year. Sometimes, a lot of times, it's based off grades and other things. But there's some law reviews where it's just you want to get on because, like I said, some schools have more than one. So it might not be based on grades. It might be based off if you just want to do it. While I was there, some people in the class behind me, they created another law review for my school at Thurgood Marshall at Texas Southern University. And they had that. I don't know if that law review is still going. I'll have to ask them. But different things like that occur as well. But it's very prestigious. It looks really good on your resume because it says somebody knows how to research and write. That's what it says. Oh, you were on law review? Oh, you were on law review? Okay. I don't have to worry about your research skills or you knowing how to write citations. Because legal citations and understanding how to properly cite legal documents it's not the easiest thing in the world. So people who go through law review and work on that day in, day out, it puts them, it makes future employers more confident about their abilities, basically. Again, very prestigious. Law review. So if you ever go to law school and you're interested in law review, that's a snippet about what it is. It's a lot of work, though, but the people who do it, they say it's very much worth it. Everybody knows who's ever done law review. There's just a lot of work, but it's worth it. It's worth it.